Welcome to Tech Tip Daily. Today I'll be showing you how to remove a Microsoft account from your Windows 11 computer. To do so, simply start by clicking Settings in the bottom left and searching for Settings. Click Settings, and once there, you will have to go and scroll down to Accounts on the left. Click Accounts, and from there you will scroll down and click Your Info under Account Settings. Once in Your Info, you'll be able to see account settings, related settings, accounts. You're not going to go to manage my accounts. In fact, you're going to go to sign in with a local account instead. Upon clicking that, you'll get your user information pop up, and you'll click next. You will type in your PIN, and then once there, you'll have to sign in with your username, password, and such. Once going through this process, it's going to prompt you to basically sign out and re-sign in with a local account. And at that point, you will basically be completely signed out of your Microsoft account and signed in to a local account, thus taking off your Microsoft account from the computer, leaving strictly a local account. Now, hopefully that helped you guys figure out how to remove an account from Windows 11. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.